Assalamualaikum student. Today we will starting our chapter 3, which is more about Windows 7. In this chapter we have learned about the Windows 7. Basically Windows 7 is the most popular used operating system because it is user friendly. इसे कोई भी यूज कर सकता है और बहुत easily यूज कर सकता है. You can perform any operation on Windows such as saving, opening or deleting any file with the help of a mouse. This is the mouse. In this chapter you will learn more about Windows 7. So let's start with desktop. Now what is desktop? When you switch on your computer and start Windows, the first screen that you see after Windows software has loaded is called the desktop. Means this is this desktop which appear after the Windows software has loaded. This is the desktop of the computer. The desktop contains all the small pictures that have names such as My Computer, Recycle Bin. These small pictures are called icons. As you can see on this desktop, that here we have some small pictures like this. These small pictures called icons. In small pictures को हम icons कहते हैं. The icon represent different programs. These icons represent different programs, files, folder that can be opened by double clicking on a particular icon. If I want to open recycle bin, so what I do double click like this. Through this double click, this file will be opened. Like this. Okay. So by the double click, if I click another file which is My Computer, so what I do the double click like this. So this file will be open. So through double click we can open any particular icon. Okay. Now My Computer, as I already told you that whenever we open any program or any icon, what we have to do double click, then the file will be open like this. I want to open this My Computer, so what I just do the double click. Now the screen is appear. My Computer screen is appear, and in this screen we have different icons also, like local disk C, local disk D and DVD drive. Firstly we will discuss about local disk C. Basically it is a hard disk in which contains and store all the excess data. जितने भी आपके पास फाइल्स हैं, फोल्डर्स हैं, वो सारी की सारी आपको इसके अंदर डिस्प्ले होती हुई नजर आएंगी. All the work that we do on a computer is stored in the form of file in this icon. As you can see, when I open this file, here we have some files and folders. So local disk C is used to store all the files and folders. Now we will discuss about. Now here we have another icon which is DVD drive. What is the function of this drive? In this drive we can insert a CD and DVD. हम कोई भी CD और DVD को इस function के through insert कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now we will learn about how to change a wallpaper. Now what is wallpaper and how to change a wallpaper, we will discuss on it. Basically background image that you can see on the desktop, as you can see this background image, this background image is known as wallpaper, and we can change this wallpaper also. How we can change this wallpaper? What we do, we just do right click, and here we have an option in the last which is personalize. Now click this option personalize, and here we have an option which is desktop background, and we have also the option which is screensaver. Both the option is available here. Now if you want to change desktop background, you have to click over here and you can see that here we have lots of wallpapers. So if you want to change any wallpaper, so what you have to do, you just click that wallpaper as like this. Now you can see that your wallpaper is changed. Now if you permanently change the wallpaper after selecting any wallpaper from it, you just click save change. So your wallpaper will be changed, and you can select any wallpaper which you want, and I want to this one. Now I click save change. Now you see that, look, your wallpaper is changed. Now same as what you have to do, you just do for a screensaver as same, like you just open screensaver, and here we have some screensaver. You can change your screensaver whatever you want. Okay, so you can change your screensaver from here. Now we learn about how to change wallpaper and how to change a screensaver. Now you have to read this chapter from page number 18 to 21, and here we stop our chapter. We will continue on our next video. Thank you.